Good morning everyone. Previously, in the previous classes, we have found the mean using direct method. We have direct method formula. Mean is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. And next, in the last class, we used assumed mean method, that is mean is equals to a plus summation fi di by summation fi. Now in this class we are going to find out the mean using step deviation method, that is mean is equals to a plus summation fi ui. In place of di we are making ui by sigma fi. The difference between di and ui is, if you divide di with one value, you will get ui. That value is h. Here xi di difference is, if you subtract a value from xi, we will get di. The value subtracted is assumed mean. Here di changed as ui. Why? Because di is divided by h. That's why again we multiply. These are the three formulas to find out the mean. That is direct method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. If you understood these three, we can solve any problem which is given in the examination easily. Now, let us see. This is the problem in the exercise number 1. Fifth problem about number of orange boxes. These oranges are kept in the baskets, and in different boxes, different number of oranges are there. That is, 10 to 14 orange boxes are 15, 15 to 19 orange baskets, how many are there? 110, and 20 to 24, 135, 25 to 29, 150, 30 to 34, 25. This is the data given. We need to find out mean number of oranges. Mean number of oranges, that is, let us take oranges as passages, number of baskets as frequencies. To find out the mean, first we need to write class marks. Class marks is nothing but mid value. That is 10 plus 14, 24 by 2, 12. 15 plus 19 is 34 by 2 means 17. 20, 24, 44, half is 22. 25, 29, 54, half is 27, 30 to 34, 64, 32. To write these xi values, after writing first xi 12, here what is the difference? 14, 19, 24, difference is 5. By adding 5 also we will get xi. This is the method of writing xi. After xi, this is step deviation method. Now we are learning step deviation method. In the step deviation method, we need to take ui, that is xi minus a by h. Xi minus a by h. Now what is a? What is h? Let us find out. H is the difference of consecutive either upper limits or lower limits. The difference is, just now I told that difference is 5. The difference is h is equals to 5. And assumed mean from xi, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values are there. Any one of them can be taken as a. Tell me which one let us take. Let us take 22. This is a. I am taking this 22 as assumed mean. From each and every x value we need to subtract a and next divide it by h. Let us take first one. What is the xi here? First class 12 minus a value 22 by h. H is equals to how much? 5. 12 minus 22 is minus 10 by 5. 5 and 5 to 0, which is minus 2. This value is minus 2. Similarly, we need to take xi 17 in the second class. 17 minus 22 is 5 by 5. 5 cancel, will get 1. then the ui value of the second class will be 1. Here a is xi. If you subtract, you will get 0. Next, 27 minus 22, 5. 5 by 5, 1. 32 minus 22, 10. 10 by 5, 2. Here we need to understand, in the step deviation method, ui will be integers. Continued integers we will get. Wherever you take assumed mean, that class ui value will become 0. Which side the values are decreasing, that side you will get negative integers. Which side the xi value is increasing, that side you will get positives. This is the easy method to remember. You will get continued integers as ui. Now, let us multiply frequencies with the ui. Don't multiply xi. We need to take fi. That is 15 2s are 30, symbol minus. 110 1s are minus 110. This is 0. Directly you get 0. Don't multiply. If you multiply, you get 135 sometimes. 115 into 1. 115. 25 2s are 50. Here in the formula, a value, h value already we wrote. Still we need to find two more, that is summation fi ui and summation fi. Let us write that. Summation fi ui and summation fi. From the table only. Summation fi, all fi's let us add. 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. 1 carry. 2, 3, 4. Total is how much? 400. That is summation fi is 400. Let us add all the FIUIs. Here some negatives, some positives are there. Negatives if you add, you will get 140. Negatives 115 plus 50, 165 positives. Subtraction, plus minus subtraction, big number plus, you will get 25. From the table, we got summation fi ui value how much? 25. Now let us substitute these in the formula. Mean is equals to a plus, what is assumed mean here? 22 plus fi ui 25 by summation fi is 400 into h value, height is equals to how much? 5. Now 25 ones are 25, 50 remaining, 150, 25 6 are. This is 22 plus 5 by 16. Let us divide in the 16 table. 5 is not divisible, write 0 point. It will become 50. 16 3 is 48. 2 remaining, 20. 16 1 is 16. Let us take up to 2 decimals. Now 22 plus 0.31 is 22.31. This is mean number of RMS. Mean number of RMS is equals to 22.31 in each basket. There are 400 baskets are there. In each and every basket, how many mean number of RMS are there? 22.31. And from today's class, we have learned how can we find out the mean using step deviation. In the previous class, assumed. In the previous class, direct method. From these 3 classes, we understood the method of finding the mean using different methods. Okay, you remember all this? In the examination, sometimes he will ask you find out the mean using a specified method, then use that only. Sometimes he may ask you select the formula as you like, then you can find out using any one of the methods. Thank you.